Hello, and thank you for your interest in learning more about the READsquared software. Today we'll go over the other features of the program that doesn't involve creating an account and logging reading. So first off, we have the enter code. So some events the library is hosting will have a code word to go along with them. If you attend the program, you'll receive the code and be able to input it here for a reward. There may be a limited time you can enter the code though, so be sure you enter it as soon as you get it. And you can see you can also enter the code for multiple people if that is set up. So logging history is as it sounds. It shows you the books that you've logged over the course of the summer. So this might be a good way to kind of keep track of what you're reading so you don't end up reading the same book twice. Of course, you're welcome to read similar books or the same book if you really, really enjoy them. But it's always fun to kind of branch out and try out other books as well. So going back to the home here, we have the missions. So missions contain extra activities you can complete over the summer reading program. You can see a list of the missions here. And if you click on Go to Mission, you can see all the activities associated with it. So some activities require an exact answer, others you'll need to upload pictures, and still others require you typing in your best guess. Completing missions may allow you to earn points or other rewards, so I highly recommend checking these out. Let's see, reading lists contain lists of recommended books based on various genres and topics. So if you're looking for ideas of your next read, you can kind of take a look here. Raffles will take you to a page where you can purchase raffle tickets for the larger prizes of the summer reading program. Now, as a note, just because you buy a raffle ticket doesn't mean you've automatically won the prize. Tickets will be drawn at the end of the summer reading program to determine the winner for each prize. The more points you earn, though, the more tickets you can purchase and the more chances you have at winning the prize you want. Info Help gives you information about the program that you're participating in. If you do have a question or having an issue, you can click the question bubble in the corner here to send a message, and the library will reply to your message as soon as they are able. So the dashboard just leads you back to sort of the home page where you can see all your badges and everything. Now the side toolbar has a few more tabs that don't appear on the main dashboard here. I'm actually going to switch accounts here really quick, because this one, I don't have it activated for the pre-Ks, but for everybody else, there is a Games tab that'll lead you to a variety of games that you can play. Most programs don't award you anything for playing the games, but they are pretty fun. So if you want to check those out or have some time you need to kill, you can play these games. Game board is a sort of visual representation of how far you've progressed in the summer reading program. You'll gain stamps on the board each time you reach a certain goal, and your objective is to reach the end of the board game, or the game board rather. Of course, you're welcome to keep reading and participating even if you've reached the end of the game board. Remember that if you keep earning points, you can buy more raffle tickets. Friends is sort of like a social network on READsquared. You can become friends with others who are using READsquared software, and you can actually compete with them. So they'd be able to see how far you've progressed, you could see how far they've progressed, and you can kind of compete with each other for some friendly competition. Lastly, let's see. Oh, there we go, his book reviews, or the reviews. This will show you all the reviews that have been sent and approved by librarians. So if you're looking for a good book to read, you can drop by here to see what others recommend. So yeah, that's pretty much all for the tabs and toolbars that you might use throughout the summer reading program. Have fun exploring and enjoy your summer. Bye!